Understanding your cat's trust signals. If your cat snores while napping or rolls onto his back to show his belly, it's a big deal. These little habits mean he feels safe and trusts you. Cats are cautious by nature. When they snooze loudly, it's a sign they're relaxed and comfortable. Rolling over to expose their vulnerable belly is even more special. It's like saying, "I'm not afraid of you." This behavior is part of their unique spiel, their way of communicating without words. They might not say "I love you," but their actions speak volumes. So if your cat does these things, consider it a compliment. It means you're a big part of their happy, safe world.